Some blenders are powerful, but inconvenient. Others are compact but struggle with frozen ingredients. And every once in a while, a product manages to balance both in a way that actually fits everyday life. Welcome back to Buy with Confidence, where we focus on products that combine practical value with dependable performance. Today, we're looking at the Cosori 9-piece blender for shakes and smoothies. This is a compact, high-speed personal blender designed for smoothies, protein shakes, frozen drinks, and quick nutrition-focused meal prep. If you want stronger blending performance than most entry-level personal blenders without moving into oversized countertop systems, this product becomes especially relevant. And if you'd like to check current pricing or availability, the purchase link is available in the description below. What makes the Cosori blender stand out is that it feels thoughtfully designed around real daily use. It combines strong motor performance, practical accessories, and a more flexible blending experience in a compact format that remains approachable for smaller kitchens. Reason 1. Strong blending power for frozen ingredients. At the center of the Cosori blender is an 800-watt high-torque motor capable of reaching speeds up to 23,000 revolutions per minute. In practical use, that translates into smoother blending, faster ice crushing, and more reliable handling of frozen fruit, seeds, and thicker ingredients. Whether you're making protein shakes, smoothie bowls, or frozen drinks, the performance feels confident rather than strained. The addition of overload and overheat protection also adds reassurance for long-term reliability. Reason 2. Blade system designed for more efficient blending. Rather than relying on a single generic blade design, Cosori uses multiple blade edge styles for different blending functions. Sharp edges break down fruits and vegetables efficiently, while blunt edges help crush harder ingredients like ice and nuts more effectively. The nutrient extraction-focused blade design also improves drink consistency by blending ingredients more thoroughly. Trusted by many 5-star reviewers, this attention to blending quality is one of the product's strongest advantages. Reason 3. Smart Auto Blend functionality improves convenience. The Auto Blend mode adds a level of simplicity that many users will appreciate in daily routines. Instead of manually pulsing repeatedly, the blender cycles automatically in timed intervals for more balanced blending results. It feels especially useful for frozen drinks or thicker mixtures where consistent blending pressure matters. The Pulse mode is also available for users who prefer more direct control. Reason 4. Excellent value through included accessories. One of the areas where the Cosori package feels especially complete is in the included accessories. With 2 24-ounce containers, 1 12-ounce cup, travel lids, a storage lid, a cleaning brush, and a recipe book included, the overall ownership experience feels flexible right out of the box. This setup works well for couples, fitness routines, meal prep, or simply preparing multiple drinks throughout the day without constant washing between uses. Reason 5. Compact design with simple cleanup. Despite the strong motor performance, the Cosori blender remains compact enough for smaller kitchens, office setups, or apartment living. The BPA-free cups and dishwasher-safe parts also reduce cleanup effort significantly. In everyday use, convenience matters just as much as blending performance, and this product keeps that balance well. Final verdict: the Cosori 9-piece blender succeeds because it combines stronger than expected blending performance with practical convenience and thoughtful accessories. It's not intended to replace a large professional kitchen blender for heavy food processing tasks, and noise levels during high-speed blending are naturally noticeable. But for smoothies, frozen drinks, protein shakes, and daily wellness-focused use, it offers a very balanced experience. This blender is best suited for busy professionals, students, gym-goers, and smaller households looking for reliable blending power in a compact form factor. What makes it stand out is not just the specifications, but how naturally it fits into consistent, everyday routines. And ultimately, those are often the products people continue using long after the excitement of the purchase fades.